In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut or split a video clip in Shotcut. So if you have a video clip but you wish to split it or cut it and delete a section of it, then let me show you how you can do it. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. Now the first thing you need to do is to identify the section or the part where you want to cut your video clip. For instance, this video clip is too long and I'd like to cut it at this section. So to do so, make sure this line is at the point where you want to cut it. So once you get there, just go ahead and tap on this split at playhead. And if you go ahead and tap on this split at playhead icon, you can see now this clip has been split into two. So you may want to go ahead and delete one of the clip if you wish so. For instance, I want to delete this clip. To delete this clip, just go ahead and right click on it. Then we have an option called ripple delete. If you ripple delete, it will delete and merge with the last clip instantly. Alternatively, if you want to delete this part that you have just cut, you can go ahead and tap on Control on your keyboard and then with the combination of X, and that will delete that video clip. So that's how you cut and delete video clips in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.